Hey guys, today, let's learn how to airdrop all of the contacts to a new iPhone. So if you'd like to go ahead and airdrop your contacts that you have on your current device and airdrop them basically all of them, to your new iPhone. If you want to go and do this well, you can actually try to do this individually with each and every one by tapping on Share Contact, and then selecting, of course, tapping on Done, tapping on Airdrop. But that is going to be a lengthy process, since we need to do it individually. But what we could actually do in order for us to solve this is to proceed with tapping on this option and tapping on Export. As you would notice, I could actually tap on all my contacts over here on the top, and then tap on Export. Next, let's tap on all of the contacts that we have. Confirm it, tap on Done. And then, as you would notice, we could actually airdrop all of our contacts as well with the airdrop feature. So go and just airdrop that to your preferred device. And it's that easy, guys, to airdrop all of your contacts from your current device to another. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.